Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to go over April 8th trades. In highlights today, we have Draft King, which they added a lot of position yesterday and today as well. Yesterday, they added 600,000 shares. Today, they have added 165,000 more shares to Draft King. Very bullish on that. One completely new company in ARKW, which is their next generation web fund, and one completely removed. One company is removed completely. Stay with me to find out which one that is. And also another news is that ARKX, which is their space exploration fund, is bigger than IZRL and PRNT both now. So stay with me to find out more details. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Ready, set, let's go. Hi ARK friends, welcome back. In ARK summary section, we take a look at high level numbers. First, quickly, like market value is back to 50 billion, almost 51 billion, 50.8. Very green day today for ARK and a lot of other people as well. And so it's a good news. 2.2% up compared to yesterday. So this is great. In terms of number of companies that they're diversified in, we saw a big jump here sometime end of March because they added a new fund called ARKX Space Exploration, where they added 11 new companies. The fund is composed of 39 companies now, but there were 11 new in those 39 companies. So that's the big spike here. And they've been maintaining 272 companies since past few days as well. But today, one company is completely removed and one company is new. So stay with me. We'll be revealing that, which one it is, in just a bit. By ETF, the big news here is that ARKX is 1.3% of the overall fund now, which is bigger than PRNT and bigger than IZRL. So IZRL is 0.7 and PRNT is 1.2% of the overall fund, whereas ARK has reached 1.3. So this is great. It's slowly gaining the bigger share of the pie. We'll see how big it goes. But this one, ARK Genomics, is the one which is expected to go really big. But we'll wait. We'll see when that happens. Very bullish on that, Cathie Wood. So she speaks about it in all the interviews, how new FANG is supposed to come out of ARKG. So we'll wait and watch, I guess. In terms of number of companies, ranking of the companies, we keep an eye on top 5, and it hasn't changed in quite a few days. It was in the red days of February and March. That is when we saw some moving up and down here, and mainly for rank 5 actually. Top 4 have remained the same throughout. This is all the ETFs combined. So Tesla, Square, Teladoc, Roku, and Zillow. And in past, these Zillow, Shopify, and Baidu, and Exact Sciences, and etc. I think they have changed position a little bit, but this is how it looks today. Let's move over to the biggest moves without wasting much time there. Biggest moves, we always take a look at two ways. One is by percentage of share, and we change this threshold on daily basis to make it more digestible. So any company that has changed position by 3% of share will show up here, and any company that has changed position by more than $20 million will show up here. So we look at it two ways, just because there could be companies that the share movement is just very small, whereas their stock price is so high that it gets that it won't show up here, but it shows up here. So for now, again, like I did yesterday, I've removed ARKX from consideration in biggest moves because ARKX will handle separately. They have been buying a lot of ARKX companies shares these days, and hence that is becoming bigger and bigger share of the pie, 1.3% like we just saw. Now removing ARKX, let's see other companies that have gained position today. Pinduoduo, which is agricultural company from China, they have bought additional 126,000 shares. Atlas Crest, which is a SPAC, it is extra 154,000 shares there. Base Inc, again 9% extra, 226,000 shares. So as I'm hovering over these, you will see that more information pops up about the company. For example, Atlas Crest is present in 2 funds, ARKX and ARKQ. Mainly in ARKQ, and you'll see how the number of shares have spiked 10%. Stock price is back up to $10.40, and market value that ARK holds for this company is 0.02 billion. Then you have Draft Kings again, 165,000 shares, 3% position added there. The stock price dips a little bit further. Synopsys is one company that popped up yesterday also. I think they have been selling shares of Synopsys, which is pretty stable company, and they are probably selling to buy some growth companies, they're taking profits there, looks like. So the position down by 5%, 71,000 shares sold. Then you have Taiwan Semiconductors that has been popping up for some time now, again going down there because they sold a lot of shares. Intercure Limited also. I'll hover over these and you can pause to take a look. And this is the company, guys. Adobe Inc. is the one which they completely got rid of today. So they don't hold any position in Adobe anymore. 100% gone. 33,000 shares that they held is gone. They're probably taking profits because the stock price has been going up in past. In terms of biggest moves in dollars, there is no negative, very green day today. My threshold is 20 million today, but I'll hover over all these so you can take a look at more information as it pops up. Square being the highest one today, adding $135 million to the fund, present in 3 funds, as you can see, and you can check out the trends also. I'll hover over Zillow, same, present in 3 funds, going up. Tesla present in 3 funds, maintaining position, stock price slightly going up. Shopify, Teladoc, Roku, Zoom, Twilio, DocuSign, Silvergate, Twist Biosciences. Let me hover up a little bit. C Limited, Iridium, Baidu, Fate Therapeutics, 10x Genomics. So as I said before, it's very green today, hardly any red, very few red spots in there, and that too mainly in the genomics section. Rest, Arcade, which is their biggest fund, has very few reds there. Exact Sciences, slightly red. Arc, Protolabs, Lending Tree, Berkeley Heights, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, and Syros Pharmaceuticals. The rest is very, very green. This seems very dark red. Let's see what this is. Synopsys Inc., because they sold a bunch of shares there. And Taiwan Semiconductors. So that's that, guys. This is your daily dose of ARK information. Actually, well, there is a new company also. I forgot to mention that Okta is newly added to ARKW fund. 0.1 million shares of value 18 million, $238.48 price for each. So that's the new company. That was also one more thing that I said in the beginning in the highlights. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This was your daily dose of ARK information, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.